Are you sick and tired of looking at that ugly dent in your vehicle each and every time you go to hop into it? Well, you're about to find out about the easiest, quickest and most cost-effective way to have it repaired without the need for using any fillers or repainting the car. Hi, I'm Adam from Dents-B-Gone. We're Darwin's automotive paintless dent repair specialists. At Dents-B-Gone, we pride ourselves on offering our customers the best mobile paintless dent repair service in Darwin and Palmerston. We're a fully mobile business that takes all the fuss out of repairing those unsightly dents and dings in your vehicle, and all at a reasonable price. Being a much quicker alternative to traditional repair methods, paintless dent repair is quickly becoming the first choice for small to medium-sized dent repairs where the paintwork is still intact and in good condition. To show you just what can be done with paintless dent repair, here's a quick look at one of our most recent repairs. So if you have a ding or a dent in your car where the paintwork's still intact and in good condition, make sure Dents-B-Gone is your first port of call. We can help sort that dent out so you don't have to be without your car for days or weeks on end, and all at a reasonable price.